Hi friends, welcome to my channel Laundry World. How to remove ink stain? Ink stain. Ink stain removing process. First chemical SCI stain remover. First apply wet garment, wet stain SCI stain remover. SCI stain remover first apply and rubbing normally stain part. Normally rubbing stain part. Second time apply SCI stain remover because main stain completely remove main stain. Main stain ink stain completely remove and that time after Excel stain remover apply. Excel stain remover. Target ink stain. First apply SCI stain remover. After apply Excel stain remover and this is a plain water. Wash stain in plain water. Main stain is very clear. Flyer stain remover you can use on white cloth. Only target stain remover. You can see SCI stain remover first apply. After Excel stain remover apply, rinse plain water this stain and apply flyer stain remover. Stain is complete clean and when washing process this round of ink stain is easily complete. A wrinkle round stain easily remove. Flyer stain. Flyer stain remover is easily remove round stain. No problem. You can wash, hand wash, machine wash, any type wash. Very big stain of ink stain, but easily remove in few minutes, and cleaning charge 200 rupees of this cloth. When white wash is washing, that time this cloth is washed and A to Z clean part of washing, because target stain is clean here. Thanks, like my channel and subscribe my channel and like video. Thanks. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.